Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Origami Princess Label Maker that Tom Engelberger has teach you how to make. But I'm just going to go ahead and show you. He teaches you how to do this, but so what you do is take a paper and a brown pencil. Paper and brown pencil. Well, of course, you're not going to need your brown pencil right now. You start with your paper and fold one side over like this. Okay? You fold the other side over. If you've been out through all the books, this should look very similar because we're folding it into thirds. We almost always do that. So what you do is, now you take it. You see, you got it. So you see, next one fold out. Princess Label. He has ears. Of course, they're not going to be ears. Fairy fish doesn't have giant ears. We're going to do these to make hair buns. So what you do is, if you want to go to get the other one, maybe kind of hiding, but then just get it out. And you see, just right here, it's going to be your face. If you turn it over, you can see where her face is going to be. But right now, we take our brown pencil. Brown pencil. We color it brown now. Oh my word. So keep coloring in the hair. Color in the hair. Color in the hair. Don't get on her face. She doesn't want to see face. But if you get over here a little, don't care about that. That's going to be out of sight. So, what we do is pull this back. And if you notice that it wasn't completely brown, maybe just take your brown pencil again and then just color that. Okay. What we're next going to do is fold it out, but not all the way, just part way. Okay. But then that's not doing anything good. And what you do is maybe color brown again. All you really need to do sometimes is have the points your starting place. You can get the line. You see that this is what's going to make her hair do. Oh, this one's coming a little hard. That's gonna be okay. Okay. See that? Now what you do is take this, and fold it over. And flip that over. Here one. No Sheila. And then we tuck these in. To make this nice smooth part in the middle of Princess Leia's Label Maker's, hair. You see, we got her face. Finally, it's done. Of course, that looks exactly like Princess Label Maker's face. Well, Princess Label Maker may end up with a messy hairdo. Well, she ended up with a messy hairdo. Well, we're actually partway done. All we gotta do is just fold the corners back, bottom corners again, and you'll be done. A good thing. Next, what you want to do, you can use some tape, but I'm not going to use tape in the middle of the video. Right, today. Draw her a nice mouth. And draw her some eyes.
Here's some eyelashes. Give her some eyelashes.
She doesn't need eyelashes. Okay, and she looks kind of mad. So I hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day, everybody. Bye. I'm not going to do it because you ruined it. Can you go to me, marker? Keep talking.